Hey everyone, welcome to the tutorial for our new script K9 version 3. We made this script to be simple, clean, and user-friendly. The K9 Center is placed close to Sandy Shores in Los Santos, so it's easy to access for most players. You can fully use this place to manage your dogs. Let's start the tutorial! First, we added a new developer menu to make your job easier in-game. We got a lot of reports and feedback, so we made this for faster and better setup. Here's what you can do. Create dog houses. Set a name for each house. Add jobs from the config, they will show up here. Restrict access to specific jobs. Set minimum job grade required. After creating the house, you can place the house wherever you want. Set the dog's spawn point. Even set the camera angle for better customization for each player. Now let's create a dog. We updated the UI for better sensitivity and control. You can pick outfits for the dog and spawn it in up to 4 different slots. Now, let's create our dog. First, choose the dog type. Right now, we support Shepherd, Pitbull, and Doberman. You can also change the skin color to match your style. Next, give your dog a name. Then just hit the Submit button and boom, your dog is ready. Now, let's customize your dog. Go to Edit Dog, and you can add cool stuff like vest, hat, decals. You can edit the decals yourself in the YDT file. Right now, we support most major departments, but feel free to add your own. Collars and other accessories. After you're done, every dog you create can be fully customized. Make them look unique and badass just the way you like it. Let's continue. Alright, let's go back to the developer menu. Here you can see the doghouse we created earlier. The jobs we added, like sheriff, police, and ambulance, are all listed. If you want, you can also delete the house from here. Now, let's go to Manage Dogs. All your created dogs will show up here. For example, I've got 23 dogs listed. You can search by name to find your dog faster. Once you select a dog, you'll see all the tools in one simple menu. Edit, revive, delete, rename, and also manage the dog attributes. Everything is in one place to give you full control and a smooth dev experience. Super easy to manage all your canines from here. Now, let's check out the training menu. Here, you can see a full list of dog training options. Attack, stamina, defense, smell. Let's start by training stamina. You'll see a marker in the world. Just walk up to it and wait. Press when you're ready. This tells your dog to come to the location. Once your dog arrives, it will automatically start the training action. Now don't worry if the dog doesn't walk properly. Sometimes GTA's native AI can bug out a bit. But no stress. The dog will teleport if needed and always finish the task, no matter what. It's smooth, clean, and always gets the job done. Let's keep training. Now let's take a look at the new dog control menu. We fully redesigned the UI. Everything is categorized and easy to find. It's clean, simple, and smooth to use. Let's start with the Move category. Here's what you've got. Lead. Your dog walks ahead of you, like it's leading the way. It keeps moving in the same direction you go. This is super useful in areas where the nav mesh is broken or tight. The dog will try to guide you while staying in front. Step. This one makes the dog follow you closely. Wherever you go, the dog stays right behind or beside you. It mirrors your movement, but doesn't lead, just sticks with you. Go there. Just like before, select a player and the dog will attack them. Once the attack starts, it won't stop unless you press a cancel key or use G to recall. Easy and effective. Come. Tell the dog to go to a specific location. It walks to the spot you choose and waits there, holding the same direction you set. Perfect for positioning during scenes or training. Jump. This one's in beta. Right now, it plays a jump animation and the dog teleports over objects. We're testing and improving it, but it's already super useful for quick jumps over small stuff. Everything is built to give you maximum control without bugs or stress. Let's move to the next section. A lot of you gave us feedback about this. You wanted your dog to sit on a specific seat when getting in a vehicle. Some cars have extra seats, or maybe you wanted the dog to sit somewhere not default. So in this version, we made it super easy. Your dog will now enter and exit the vehicle smoothly, and it will sit exactly where you tell it to. No bugs, no weird behavior, just clean, smart seat control. Here you got a few special actions your dog can do on people. Tackle. Your dog will tackle the suspect when close enough. It runs up, hits them, and makes them fall to the ground for a short time. Perfect for stopping someone who's trying to run. Attention. Your dog will go face to face with the suspect and start barking. It's great for intimidation or warning someone. Can be used for role play or just controlling the scene. Now let's check out the search system. Your dog can now search vehicles, people inside vehicles, glove box, trunk, and pretty much any spot you can think of. Let's talk about search area, the cool new feature that makes it smarter. There are two zones you'll see. Green zone. This is the safe and whitelist zone. Anyone inside the green area is considered safe. Your dog will ignore them. This is great for officers or teammates. Red zone. This is the maximum distance your dog can smell. Anyone inside this red zone but outside the green zone is a potential target. Your dog will sniff and alert if they detect anything suspicious. The size of the red zone is based on your dog's smell skill level. The more you train smell, the bigger and better the red zone becomes. It's realistic, powerful, and super useful for role play or patrols. Let's move on to the next part. Here you can control things like leash, flashlight, orders, and aggressive mode. Leash system. The leash is fully reworked and upgraded. Now you can adjust the leash length, make it short or long. This is super useful when the dog is in lead mode and running fast. If you can't catch up, just make the leash longer for more control, or make it shorter to keep the dog close. You can also remove the leash completely if you want full freedom. And with the status icons, you'll always know if leash is on, if flashlight is active, and what mode the dog is in. Orders. This section lets you give quick commands to your dog with proper animations. It's super clean and helps with fast roleplay. Aggressive mode. When you turn on aggressive mode, your dog becomes your protector. It will always watch your six, always has your back. If someone hits you or shoots you, the dog will immediately react and attack the threat without waiting for a command. It's fast, smart, and perfect for dangerous situations. But if aggressive mode is off, the dog will stay calm, even if someone attacks you. It won't do anything unless you tell it to. So make sure to turn it on when you're in risky zones. All of this gives you full control over how your dog behaves in the field. Let's check out the Settings tab. This is where you can fully customize your dog's behavior and feel like a real handler. Animations customization. You can change the animations for search, orders, call style. Choose how you call your dog. Clap, whistle, snap. You can also set how your dog reacts when it finds illegal items, like sniffing, barking, sitting, or growling. All up to you. HUD settings. In version 2, many of you asked to move or hide the HUD. Now, you can move it anywhere on your screen. You can also disable the HUD if you want more screen space for RP or videos. Ownership. Train the dog and transfer ownership to another player. Perfect for shared patrols or K9 backup teams. Reload Dog Ang. If your dog gets bugged, glitched, or just acts weird, you can hit Reload Dog. It resets everything safely and cleanly. Info tab. Here you can see all your dog's stats in real time. When the flashlight is active, it works perfectly at night. All nearby players will see the flashlight beam in real sync. Not just client-side. It's fully synced across the server. Great for night patrols, building searches, or roleplay missions. Now let's head into the facility interior area. Here, you'll find a special NPC shop where you can manage your canine gear. You can set the shop location anywhere you want, even set the config inside the doghouse. Everything is configurable in the config file. Super flexible. Once it's set up, you can just walk up to the NPC and open the shop menu. Buy items easily with one click. Now let's talk about one of the biggest and best updates in this version, the brand new Radial Menu system. Before, when you were chasing a suspect, you had to open a full menu, stop running, lose precious seconds. But not anymore. With this update, you can now open the Radial Menu while running. Quickly select actions and instantly command your dog to attack, follow, or do anything without stopping. It works smoothly while you're moving and supports all actions, from go there to tackle. This system gives you real control in real time, making your canine unit faster, smarter, and way more tactical. It's a total game changer. On behalf of the EVO development team, I'm making you a promise. If this script gets more than 250 likes, we'll add more outfits, maybe even new dog breeds, and keep pushing it further. Also, about the free version. Yes, there will be a free version, but it will come with limited features only. You can use it, check out the code, maybe make it fit your standalone server, and if you like it, you can always upgrade to the full premium version for the real experience. If you want support, updates, or you want to send us feedback or bug reports, join our Discord. We're always there to help and improve. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your trust, and welcome to the next level of K9 roleplay. We'll see you out there. Peace.